Hello, and welcome to our video series about our Matchbox collection. This is another design from HomArt, which is our preferred Matchbox provider. This design is called Protea, which I had to look up, and this is a native species of flower in South Africa. All HomArt Matchboxes have a match striker strip down the side, and the match boxes are about 4.5 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide. The matchsticks inside are just under 4 inches tall. These are brown tipped matches. And one thing we've noticed with the brown is that there could be up to 4 different shades from box to box. So you want to keep that in mind with your project. With the brown matches, they could be chocolate brown or burgundy or a dark tan color. They're kind of all over the place. And also, there's an average of 45 matchsticks per box, so you may want to get 1 or 2 extra for your project to make sure you have enough matchsticks. Matchboxes always make great gifts. If you've got someone with a birthday coming up or someone with a housewarming party coming up, you can pair them with candles or incense or cigars, and they'll make a very unique gift. Thank you very much for watching.